In this video, we are going to see and resolve this error in Roblox which says this experience is unavailable due to your account settings. So we are going to see a couple of solutions that might work for you, and without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the problem is whenever you are trying to play some of the games, it shows you this cross sign due to which you are unable to play many games in Roblox. And you even might not see the play button, you see an error or a cross sign on it. So first of all, what we'll do is just close the application of Roblox on our PC. And we simply head over to the roblox.com on your favorite browser, log in with the same ID that we were using in the application. And from here, we click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner and click on the settings. And here under the privacy and content restrictions, you will click on content maturity and make sure to change it either to mild or moderate and see if that works for you. Because before it was account restrictions are enabled or disabled, so we don't have that option anymore. So you can also set it to mild or minimal, or try changing it to different areas and see if that works for the games. And also we want to head over to the parental controls and make sure if you're using the child account, the allowed experiences should be set to 13 or plus. Right now I'm already under the mature age control, so I'm not using the child account. So this is why it's not showing any of the options here, but you just made sure that allowed experience is set to 13 plus. Also, what you can do is just log out of your application and the browser and just reboot your system and log in back again and see if that works for you. After that, even when you log in again, if it is still not working, what you will do is just go to the start menu and right here run, and we will write here %app local app data %close, just like so, and click OK. And once you're in here, you just find the Roblox folder and just delete it altogether. Don't worry, this is all the temporary files that you can get back whenever you're using the game again. So make sure that you have your Roblox application closed, and then it should be able to delete a lot of temp files. It's ideal to try just restarting it once before launching the application. You just try to delete it and you should have no problem deleting it. And once you do that, you will notice that now you should be able to play the game without any problem. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.